Are you ready for this? Okay, so I went to a language school in a university in South Korea. What was I learning? I was learning South Korean. Yeah, so I was learning the language. Mm. And I'm still learning. Of course, I'm still learning language. Please, we'll get there. Okay, so in Korea, the people asked me, was it hard? Like, um, okay. So what made it hard was the fact that it it's okay, guys. If you want to do it, you can do it, and it's possible. And you just have to work. You just have to put your head down. That's all. It's not exactly impossible, and you shouldn't feel like when it's hard it means it's impossible, because that's not the truth. The truth is you gotta put all your time and effort into studying. I'm sorry. I know you come to South Korea to check out all the good food. Well, you can still eat. I'm not gonna lie. You can still eat. Maybe there'll be times you can't. I'm joking. You'll be able to eat. I ate all the time. I ate in class actually. You're not supposed to do that. I'm sure there was like signs, but somehow I was allowed to eat snacks, or we were allowed to eat snacks. I guess the teachers were that nice, or they knew that we weren't going to make a mess. Okay. Before you come in, before you come to South Korea to study in a language school in a university, I would advise, my biggest recommendation advice I can give to you right now, the most useful thing, is to actually prepare yourself. Prepare yourself in terms of sit there and study the language beforehand, because it's going to be so fast paced. You're going to be overwhelmed because it's exactly everything is new. Like, I think I answered us and what's the word? Underestimated the fact that everything will be new to me and it can overwhelm me. Because I like new things, but learning how to take the bus, simple things like learning how to take the bus, how to speak to people when ordering food, buying shopping, food shopping, clothes. I was a bit like, I need to level up. I need to dress well when I'm in South Korea, right? What is this? Breakthrough with hyperlotic. Ignore that. Ignore that. Okay, so I underestimated the fact that everything will be new. So, for example, what I would want to wear, I wanted to do my clothes, I wanted to eat, so how to order in restaurants, buying coffee every day. I never knew sometimes I can be intimidated to say something in Korean and to order a cup of coffee. Like, we're lucky there were machines. Like, you can order on the machine. It's fine. We got over that hurdle, right? And then eventually you build confidence to speak to the workers, and yeah. But everything was new. Everything, like, you're gonna have a new accommodation, new friends, unless you brought them with you, if you're lucky. Yeah, you're just gonna. Don't be scared. When I'm saying these things, don't be scared. Like, embrace it, love it. That's why you came here, is to. I don't know. You came here to experience something new, right? So, and to make friends across the world, and wow, just amazing experiences, right? You have, yeah. So embrace everything's going to be new. You might be overwhelmed. You might not. You might somehow just been so good at adapting to new situations, which I was and I am. It's just that everything was new. Yeah, and it died on me. I'm sorry. You know what's best? It's actually listening to a lot in that chosen language. So mine was South Korean. But I didn't actually listen to a lot of South Korean content before going to Korea, which I truly regret. But it doesn't matter, like, it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you go in deep in and you're drowning, and it doesn't matter if you've prepared and you know how to swim, because you're going to learn how to swim. The end goal is always the same, okay, for everyone. But I'm just saying, if you want to be prepared, if you just want to be on top of your class, it's really easy. You just have to learn a little bit. It's not hard. So, learn a lot of Korean. Learn a lot of Korean. Listen to a lot of Korean. There was a girl in my class. She was really good at listening Korean, but she was not so good on other things. But listening, and I was like, wow, you pretty much know the language, girl. She was like, I just listen to a lot of K-dramas, and I was like, wow, that is so cool. I wish I had that. Because when you can listen, like, trust me, that is just like the best gift. Like, who cares if you know so much grammar? So yeah, I would say listen to a lot of content. Tune your ears to language. That's very important, right? So not everything's that intimidating. It was kind of intimidating, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's okay. People who persevere will know the language. Anyway, so in my class, I chose the timing of 2. Oh yeah, it was 2 to pretty much 6, right? So we had 4 hours of learning the language, right? They will give us 2 grammar rules, and we have to know it within those 2 hours, basically. And so they gave us 2 grammar rules each day. And when you go home, you would have to study and put it in your head, right? And obviously it gets a bit harder, obviously it gets a bit harder on each level, but even in level 1 it gets super hard, like from 0 to 100. So that's why I would know a bit before coming, right? At least be familiar with a lot of level 1 grammar rules and be able to hit. I hope this is kind of useful. This is useful. In Korea, what's gonna get you through your education is beautiful things like a pencil case. That is so cute. I have a crush on you. Yes, I do have a crush on you. Anyway, I'm joking. So I have, yeah. But to be fair, I never actually used this pencil case because it was too big for my table. So that was kind of sad. So I hopped to this one. But having everything you need will make your life easier. So do spend on that pencil, on that paper. Don't write on paper, sorry. Write on a notebook. Because education is important. Anyway, have fun when you're learning Korean because it's not that deep. It's not that deep. You just want to learn the language. If you want to learn the language, talk to people, right? So, how do you make friends in South Korea? Okay, this is a good question. You can make friends through your classmates. I think that's a really good idea. And I think I think also language exchange, so sign up to those. Yeah, obviously be careful people, but yeah, you can make friends a lot of ways like that, so I encourage you to do that. Okay.